Ito, nakahanap kami ng libro. Yan. The Essential of the Brain. Uy, mura lang, $10. So, alam nyo na kung para saan ito. O yan, Anatomy of Artist. Wow. Uy, $10 din. Pwede. Oop, what is this? Ayan. Creative project, unless your drawing skills. Oh, mag-drawing pa siya. Wow, I like it. So, nadaan kami rito, oh. Music Barnes in Noble Books. Ayan. Dito pala kami. Ayun.
Oh, never mind.
It's a book, Iman. Ha?
Man.
Ha?
Emmanuel.
Wow. Halika na. What's up, Dakar, Iman? May off sila. Pang music pala yan eh. Baka mayroon ka dyan parang music lesson ng piano ha. Bagong security guard ng bookstore. Thank you. Titingin kami ng books. Yan. Books ng mga kido. Ano kaya mabili nila rito? Ha? Yung tartara iniiman, no? May Bible dito, guys, oh. Yan. Titingin tayo ng New International Version. Ito, NIV, Holy Bible. Yeah. Yan. Mura lang pala, oh. Guys, oh. $9. Oh. Yan yun, oh. NIV, $9 lang. Yan. Pwedeng basahin na ni Supuriman ito. Holy Bible. Yan, may nakita ka? Baka may book si Juan dito, Joel Austin. Alamang mayroon dito. Yung nagtakilin. Ating kung ano mabili nito. Oh. Yung pang one? Oh. Sino yan?
Kabugi boy.
Work? Sana si Iman.
Ninja.
Got your book? Huh?
These are all CDs.
CDs?
I need a working book.
Working book? Yeah. Working book for piano?
No. Oh,
Huh?
maybe a piano book and
Yeah.
a math book. Piano book and a math book.
Baka mayroon din piano book dito. Para study ka, di ba? Oh.
I can learn more piano.
Let's go, Iman. Let's go find your piano book. Ano? Come on.
Wait, that's
Let's go find your piano book. Dito kami sa Puzzle Games Entertainment. Ayan, natingin kami ng malaro ni Super Iman. Baka may dito mayroon this chessboard oh. Ayan. Meron na kami sa bahay niyan. Nagpunta sa kabila. Yan. Ano, meron? Hanap kami. Ipang music lesson niya.
Piano.
Piano. Okay. Wow. So you can copy that, okay? Let me see. Hey. Come on. Wow. Hinahanap namin ni Supuriman. Math workbook. Ito, oh, yan. Pambata. Okay? Okay, yours. Ha?
No, that is grade 4.
Grade 4?
I'm grade 2.
Grade 2?
Grade 1?
Yan, nakakita kami ng books niya, oh.
Yeah.
Wow, he's happy. Maybe you can take the math book, okay? Alright? Yung pala si Uncle eh.
I think that is $46.
Dito pala yung math book oh.
That is very
Ah,
for grade 2.
crossword.
No, yes I do because I'm
You
gonna.
see? You get anatomy? Ha? Oh, ayan. Nag-aaral na siya ng anatomy. Advance siya ngayon. Ayan. Anatomy for artists. Yan o. May nakahanap siya daw siya oh.
I think this is like $40.
40.
Wala naman yan.
You're gonna read this. It's showing you how to sit on a chair. Look.
Yeah.
You know already that.
Yeah, but if we go a little bit.
Ito oh, nakahanap kami ng libro. Yan. The Essential of the Brain. Uy, mura lang o $10 oh. Alam nyo na kung para saan ito. O yan, Anatomy of Artist. Wow. Uy, $10 din. Pwede. Oop, what is this? Ayan. Creative project, unless your drawing skills. Oh, drawing pa siya. Wow, I like it.